Hey everybody, this is Chase with Trick Tools, and today I wanted to show you the Wilton line of Tradesman vices. We wanted to do a video with them all sitting side by side to give you guys a really good idea of the size difference between them all. Starting off with the smallest in this particular line, this is the 4.5-inch model. It then jumps up to 5.5 inches, 6.5 inches, and 8 inches. All of these are made out of 60,000 PSI ductile cast iron, which is about 2 times stronger than your typical gray cast iron. They are extremely stout, meant to be abused and take a beating, and they also come with a lifetime warranty. A cool feature about these is the jaws. They are reversible and they are also replaceable. So on one side you get a knurled finished, and on the other side you get a machined flat finished. It sits super parallel, they're really precise, and since they're reversible, you're going to get that precision throughout the life of the entire vise. All of these vices also rotate 360 degrees on their base. By loosening up these 2 locking pins, you can rotate the vise around and quickly and easily lock it back down. Tradesman line of vices comes with a sealed construction, so this means that it's going to keep the debris and the metal shavings out and the lubrication in. It's also going to ensure that the action of the screw is very smooth. There's also a longer spindle nut in there and a heavy-duty spindle to ensure that it's never going to strip out. These vices also come fitted with pipe jaws that are replaceable as well, and they can clamp up to 3.5-inch OD. If marring your material is a concern of yours, they do offer a variety of soft jaws, from rubber-plated to nylon jaws and aluminum soft jaws. So everybody, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video insightful. If you have any more questions, feel free to visit our website at tricktools.com. We do have a long list of specifications and some more information on there. Or feel free to give our guys a call and we'd be happy to help.